Good morning. Girl sleeping. I just made our bed. Good morning. It's raining. Cecilia is inside. Let's see. Let's check Cecilia. Going to cook noodles. Dala natin yung toaster na free.
Pagpapulot sa darang tanong.
Bread.
Air base in Afghanistan. It's only a few miles from where China develops its nuclear weapons. According to Beijing, the U.S. could give that base to Israel, allowing them to launch strikes on Chinese territory under the pretext that Hamas leaders are hiding there. China has made it clear that
Okay, sit down and pray. Pray.
Thank you, Lord God, for this food you've given us today, Lord. Bless the Lord. Thank you. Why do you always give the utensils wet? You don't bother drying them first? Aye.
Puro nagsubo. Umaambon. Kaya yung dalawa nasa loob ng trailer naglalaro. Tapos na kami ng pinggan. Nagluluto dito kasi umaambon bubong doon wala. So dito ako naglalaga ng paanang baka. Naglalaga tayo ng nilagang baka. Ang dalawang doon. Okay. Katapos nag-almusal. Gandam ulit. Yan, dalawang yan. Oh. Isa naman, nagde-dreaming. Daydreaming. Nagkaroon kaya ako ng mansion dito. Sabi niya siguro. Kaya, mamumunga kaya yan ang puno. Bunga. Wow. Wala kaming katabi, oh. Wala kaming katabi. Kami lang dito. Dito kami. Dito yung main power namin. Oh, dito namin nalagay. Dito, yung isa naman. Para dyan. Sa katabi namin. Kaya lang wala kaming katabi. Yun, namumulot ng panggatong. Kasi ngayon, marami kaming panggatong sa bahay. Kaya lang, hindi namin dinala kasi kala namin fire ban. Kaya lang ngayong araw na to is lifted na raw. Ay, kagabi. Ay, nakapag-bonfire kami kagabi. Malapit lang kami sa main street. Ay, sa main road. Malawak to na na campfire. Ay, campground. Hanggang dun, malayo. Kaya lang ito lang ang available kahapon. So, ito yung main power namin. Yan. Tapos ikukunik namin doon sa may aming trailer. Yan. Ito. Yan. So, meron kaming power. Yan. Trailer namin. Maganda pala ang rin, kahit simple lang na trailer kasi kagaya kagabi, malamig. Pero hindi kami malamig. Kasi nasa loob kami ng trailer at meron kaming heater. Yan. Kunti lang ang ngayon campers kasi malamig na. Hindi na siya summer, malamig na siya at umuulan-ulan. Yan, umaambon basta yung Si Cecilia natulog siya dito sa sasakyan kagabi. Tignan natin yung kanyang bed kung open. Yan, kanyang bed. Ay, hindi siya inayos. So, dyan siya natulog kagabi. Gusto niya daw sa loob. Ayaw niya dun sa amin, sa loob ng trailer. Gusto niya ng privacy. Sana si Mr. Wala na. Kinain na yata ng bear. Ayun. Uy! What are you doing? Anong kahoy panggatong. Actually, ang dami naming log sa bahay. Marami kaming log kasi iniipon namin for camping. Kaya lang pag fire ban, hindi namin magagamit kasi bawal. Magmumulta ka ng I think $10,000 pag nahuli kang sindi ng apoy. Pasimple lang nanguha ng kahoy. Mahal kaya ng kahoy. Bumili kami kagabi, isang lang ito, tingnan nyo, $13 sa iyang sako. Yan. Yan ang laman niya. Pitong lang siya. Pitong tag doon. 7 piraso. Yun, ginamit ko doon. Yung ganyan. 1, 2. 7 na ganun. Yung ginamit. $13. Isang sako. Kaya kumikita rin ang ang campground. Hi! Just ate breakfast. They're playing Gundam again. Because it's raining outside. And let's eat this one.
Your spoon
Sapin-sapin.
just dropped.
Pick it up, Lada. Please, thank you.
Lada? Who's Lada? You can go so far.
Let's eat pichi. I know. Natilakay.
Or no? What is this?
Yay! Bonfire!
You know what I did already. Next time,
But it's too
I
early.
will let you do.
There's chef again.
Yeah.
By cooking.
The pork
Pork and
kind of organ.
says isaw.
Isao.
Isaw.
Isao.
Isaw. Because isa is like intestine. Pork intestine. Then this one.
In Taiwan, I'm the expert
Ah?
of barbecue.
Yeah? You expert?
Expert in the barbecue.
In Taiwan.
Yeah.
Yes. This is now eating. Yeah.
Actually, the pork.
Dinner time. Wow. That bonfire.
You can see the face.
Yeah. Where's the chef cook? Where's the chef cook? There.
Here.
Where's the Gundam King?
Yeah.
Where's the fisherman?
sleeping?
Fisherman. Where's the fisherman?
Without fish.
Okay.
Break that, ah.
So, pauwi na kami kasi atin kami ng binyag. In-invite nila kami. Kaya, bukas pa sana ang uwi namin. Pero, habulin namin yung binyag ngayong hapon. So, 2 hours drive. Depende sa traffic. So, hopefully ay makahabol kami ng maaga. Kasi 2:30 ang start ng baptism. So, thanks for watching. God bless.